It's a brand new week. It's another episode of the Screenshot. This is part 2 of our Mapisa journey. We are still at Antelope Dam and we are joined by 2 young people who are going to talk to us today about substance abuse. So, kuluma reason why young people in this area can engaging in dangerous substances. So, without further ado, I'll let them introduce themselves.
Okay, mina uLeroy Mpofu, 25 years old, ngihlala eMapisa.
Okay, I'm Brightfield Dube, at 25, ngihlala eMapisa. I'm not working, but I do nje khona ukubamba nje kancane. And then I like singing. That's my...
All right, welcome to the show, gentlemen. My first question is substance abuse a big issue here in Mapisa? First and foremost, ukuze si establish ukuthi yinto sibili esihluphile emphakathini or what? So is it a big deal?
Yeah, substance abuse okuyi big deal eMapisa cause so ku affect especially abantu abatsha. They are now becoming more useless emphakathini, while they are the ones community abantu abadala are looking forward on us abantu abancane ukuthi ngona we are the ones sala la lelizwe lethu to develop it, but so kus affect and is even stressing everyone around ukuthi ngona where's the future nxa ama adults ethu sibanje, so and so affect kakhulu.
So what are the reasons kuyini okwenza abantu abatsha ba engage in these activities? Because I'm sure it stems from something. What is the reason? Lina libona ngani kuyini? Nxa likhuluma labangani benu or libona ezinye sizes zenu, sifuna ukuba kwazi.
Okay, mina ngoyami view, I think these guys lapha basebenza khona while they get imali yabo bafuna ukuzichaza baba sebedlulisa lapho kumele begcine khona bedlule, then to the extent yokuthi ngona sebesibona ngona umuntu lo noma ngaze sebenze lapha imali le akula chaza benza into khona ukuthi uyabe wazi ngona mana ngilapha eMadrasa lapha lapha and daswela lapho sabona bona abantu into ayenza ngcono yabe expect ukuthi ngona ngena lapha officers ngam besebenza imali ithola.
Comfort.
Okay. So, mina ngombono wami ngicabangela ukuthi khona abanye babe ngasebenzi of which bafunda bahamba esikolo bapasa, they did well, but so kunzima athi because umuntu kasebenzi, the next thing elandelayo ukuthi vele abuse ama substances due to lack of employment, ama family issues ezindlini, abangane, because some friends are working, some are not working, of which izinto esiyabe like nxa ususiza abanye bexoxa if besebenza wena, 1 uyabunga sebenzi, 2 awula vele into ongayicabanga ngaphandle ukuthi abuse ama substances.
But umuntu mayengasebenzi uthatha imali yokuthenga izinto zonalezi.
Okay, yikho osokulida khona ukuthi abanye bakhona bagcine sebejontsha, of which kuyabe sokulimaza kakhulu lasemphakathini because abantu sebehlalele evalweni. Umuntu wakhona can do anything in order to get imali yokuthi ayedinga ama drugs.
Yeah, ikhode mfuku ubuza next ukuthi how does abuse of ama substances not only affect individual, kuyini lineli kubonayo ukuthi kugcina kuhlasela njani umphakathi? What does it now lead as abantu abayi community? How are you affected by umuntu or lokuzayo or abuse ama substances as people who do not engage in these activities? Lina kuli affect njani?
Right, what I can say, abanye baya driver, but nxa esethetha ama drugs lawana akasekho caution lasemgwaqweni, sephonga uhamba kuphela kuyakhoza ama accidents of which abantu sebehlalele evalweni. Abanye can do anything ezingalimaza umphakathi because umuntu wakhona lalo bekhuluma kaselandaba lokuthi ukhuluma lo muntu onganani, uyakhuluma nje kuphela, uyathuka, of which khona ukhana sokusehlisa abantu abatsha isithunzi kakhulu emphakathini because as abadala babekhangelela ifuture ebantwini abatsha, but nxa sokuhamba kusenzakala so kuyalekhisa confidence.
Okay, I think okunye okunga-affecta ngomphakathi ukuthi right now enje so yilo mngani wami uyanatha uyadakwa and stuff, then kule family masikhangele emuva ngalo ukuthi yamntwana la mfazi ngapha maybe babula indlala and nasedakwe selimile, so kuyi-responsibility yami as umngani wakho ukuthi ngihambe ekhangela ngani, but nxa kuyikuthi uyazinakekela angeke usi-affecte thina lathi lapha.
All right, as a community, what can we do? Like issue lay, what are your ideas? What do you think singazama ukuthi siyenzeni, or vele all hope is lost? What can we try to do? Especially since it's your peers, the age is in one. What do you think can be done?
Okay, I think if ungaba lama job opportunities and then abanye bafundiswe ngokuthi bakwazi ukuzenzela nje imisebenzi yezandla, bangaphileli ukuthi bona bayenze maybe izinto ezizagcina zibalethela ubungozi ezimpilweni zabo. For instance, iziningi khathesi izinto esesingazenza, miningi imisebenzi yezandla ongakwanisa ukuthi uyifunde from other peers abayenzayo, because khathesi kugcwele imisebenzi yezandla, ukuthunga, woodwork, welding, keeping of chickens, so kuningi vele abangakwenza. So I think as a community kumele kube lama dialogues, maybe kube lama workshops, bafundiswe nje maybe imisebenzi yezandla. Even at churches kube lama seminars that will be teaching abantu abatsha on imisebenzi yezandla.
All right. 5 years from now, lifisa ukubona iMaphisa into community enjani. What would you wish for Maphisa to look like 5 years from now? If you had a dream or hope for a community here, what would you want to see Maphisa like?
Okay. eMaphisa la esikukhangeleleyo ukuthi khona in the next coming 5 years maybe abantu abatsha abanengi so kuyibo abakhanya besenza imisebenzi yezandla, because now uthola ukuthi abantu abadala yibo abagcweleyo kuma various departments, but already sebekhulu laba abatsha abalanda bale future. So what we are hoping ukuthi maybe if, like I said, if ungaba lama dialogues, abantu bafunde kube lentuthuko, abantu bachiyane lezidakamizwa, because vele azila future.
Okay, okunye on my view le dream lami ukuthi Maphisa ibe ingaphi in 5 years, ukuthi as youth sibe something esenza, maybe ama businesses, farming, and kube indawo nje developing futhi inyanga encane evuswe ngabantu abatsha. Ngesengami nxa ukhangele, I think that's the only way engavuka ngayo iMaphisa njalo abangayithuthukisa ngayo, because iMaphisa mostly igcwele labantu abatsha abasuka from endaweni ezithile, abantu sebengabakhona apha and akulo omunye umuntu ongayivuza phandle khona apha khona, because abanye basaba-citizens bakhona apha.
All right. Thank you so much, gentlemen, for talking to me today about issue substance abuse, and hopefully we'll come up with solutions. Like you can say that maybe my dialogue can help, and where people can talk about the root cause of the problem. And so those watching at home, if you have any ideas on how we can fight the issue of substance abuse, make sure you leave a comment, tell us what you think can be done, and let's work together. So until next week, bye.